Are you preparing for JEE mains and wondering how to stay on the right track? Here are 12 proven tips that can guide your preparation effectively. First, know the syllabus thoroughly. Don't just look at the entire syllabus blindly, identify and focus on the frequently asked topics that carry more weight. This helps you prioritize better. Second, follow a perfect timetable. Discipline is key. Try to study consistently for 6 to 8 hours a day, including college time, and make sure every subject gets enough attention. Third, prioritize cert books, especially for chemistry. Many questions in JEE are directly lifted from cert lines, so mastering every concept from those books is crucial. Next, you must master problem solving by practicing regularly with a focus on speed and accuracy. Time-bound practice builds confidence. Also, take regular mock tests. Don't just solve them and forget, analyze every test deeply to understand where you go wrong and how to improve. Then comes revision. Revise frequently by creating short notes and formula sheets, and revisit them weekly to keep everything fresh in your memory. Another important point is to focus on high-weightage chapters. Not all chapters are equal in the JEE exam, so cover the most scoring ones first before going to the rest. Also, use standard resources, reliable books like HC Varma, CERT, and online platforms like NTA Abhyas or other trusted apps and YouTube channels. Staying healthy and motivated is just as important. Ensure you get adequate sleep, eat well, and take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Lastly, practice PYQs, previous year questions, as they give you direct insight into exam trends and frequently repeated patterns. Solving the last 10 years' papers can often make the difference between a good score and a great one. So, combine all these strategies with consistency and a positive mindset, and your JEE mains journey will become not just manageable, but conquerable. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep pushing forward.